I'm going to show you how to rate an install app on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up the Play Store, and from here click your profile on the upper right hand side. Simply go ahead and click and manage apps on your device. And from here, you will see ratings and reviews at the bottom. Tap on that. And here you'll be able to find all those installed applications on your phone. So let's say I would like to rate this Launch by Zalando. I can simply go ahead and choose to give it how many stars I want. And you will see that it's asking me if I would like to add something else. I can simply add more options here, write something, or just simply click and post. And that's it right there. I just rate the app, and that's all you can go ahead and rate apps. Now you also have the posted section here. So you have unreviewed and you have posted. You can see the ones that you have rated and the ones that you have not rated. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.